So we are 3 days out from Thursday's event, and I'm super excited that it's coming up. But I wanted to come on to give you tip number 3, or reason number 3, to come out to our event. I told you I was going to give you 4, so we're on number 3, 3 days out, including today. And that is inspiration. Can't get enough of inspiration as a creative. And a friend and I were talking about how we really could use monthly inspiration, going to museums, brainstorming, different things like that. And I cannot think of a better opportunity to be inspired. We're going to be in a room full of creative people. We're going to be doing some creative activities. And you're going to be around people who are talking about what they are inspired by and the projects they're working on and things that they're doing and what just keeps them excited and keeps them going. And that is just amazing. I can't wait to hear about different people's projects, what people are working on, what brings them inspiration, because that inspires me. You never know what types of things people are doing and people are into, and what you could latch on to as well to become a source of inspiration for you. So I'm always excited to learn from other people. I mean, I'm a teacher, so that's my thing. But I am just always super excited and super inspired by other people and what they're doing, and willing to learn and see what else is out there, see what's different, see what I can pull from. Ooh, hair. See what I can pull from, see what kinds of things would be inspirational to me. And that's one of the many things that I'm really excited about getting from this week's event. So I hope that will inspire you as well. Make sure you get your tickets before Thursday or by Thursday, 12 o'clock, because we're not going to extend to 12 o'clock on Thursday. But I want to see all of you there to be inspired, to be an inspiration to someone else, and to just have fun. Have fun is our last video, by the way. Have a great day, and I will, fingers crossed, see you Thursday.